Can you play that again?
What's good, prima donnas, and we back, What's good, prima donnas, and we back with a motherfucking vlog. And in this vlog, hold on, because I feel like my bun is leaning. Like, what's happening? And y'all probably already guessed by the title, but in today's vlog, or video, we are going to be doing an extreme birthday glow up, honey. We gotta give 27th birthday, okay? So if y'all do not know, I'm a Sag. My birthday is December 13th, which is on Monday. And you guys, we got to get all the way together, okay? So we have a lot to do. First things first is my nails. This is my last set. And as you guys can see, my diamonds or whatever is all coming off. I need a fill-in. It's just not giving birthday. So I'm seeing my best of the best nail tech, Miss Jennifer Jasmine. Y'all already know Jennifer back from my Orlando vlog. She's the one who did my vacation nails. She did my last year's money nails. Y'all already seen her. So yeah, we're gonna go visit Miss Jennifer. I got an appointment with her today for my birthday set. And I already know my bitch is about to kill it, okay? So yeah. So I did already get ready for the day. I didn't want to start this vlog looking crazy like I did last time. We ain't even gonna talk about it. I actually just look kind of like casual. I got my Uggs on. Let me show you my other Ugg, because bitch, I literally just got these Uggs like 2 weeks ago, and never does one of my shits look like this already. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, bro. And look at that, bro. They were doing construction outside of my building, and my dumb ass not gonna step in cement literally a week after I got my shits. So I'ma still wear them though. Fuck that shit. These shits was expensive. Let me start requesting my Uber, because bitch, I gotta go. Okay, I'm just gonna take my blunt to go. And yeah, so yeah, I will see you guys when we get to Jennifer and we're about to start the set. All right, so the rest of the video is actually going to be in voiceover because, girl, it was a lot of footage. But anyways, we about to get this birthday set on and popping. So, of course, we about to take it there. We about to do some extra ass shit. So, of course, I wanted all the rhinestones and all the bling. So, Miss Jennifer was like, I got you, bitch. And then we was trying to pick my acrylic, and I decided to go with this one, which is Dirty Sprite, which is actually like a clear acrylic, you guys. But it has these beautiful purple, blue reflex. It kind of just looks like snow, to be honest. Perfect for a winter set. And now you're going to see that we're actually trying to film our TikTok. So if you actually follow me on Instagram, you got to see our first nail reel. So we're trying to do a little punch transition to go with the little Nicki Minaj beats. So yeah, we trying to get me to like punch and like get the whole transition on and popping. But I keep laughing because I get a little nervous in front of people, y'all. So yeah, so first I gave her first punch, but she was like, girl, no, that was a weak ass punch. You better punch it like you mean it, honey. Okay, so now we like, all right, let's do it again. It took me a few tries, but honestly, after like the second try, I was like, all right, I got it now. Okay, let me get my inner Harlem out of here. Okay, so yeah, went ahead and we did it, and honestly, we caught the money shot. So now we got dumb hype. You see us be like, we got it. OD birds, I swear. But anyway, even the baby got hype in the background, as you can see. So this is a little preview of the TikTok that we did, but of course you have to follow me on Instagram to see the finished video, or finished TikTok, I should say. And of course, bad bitches got hungry, so we ordered some mozzarella sticks. So now let's finish up this set real quick. I'm gonna let Jennifer do her thing. But honey, once she finished, I fully got activated. It really felt like it was really my birthday now. Like now I'm starting to get activated. I'm coming that bitch. But now I really had to go home and set the mood and give you guys a close-up of these nails, because Jennifer did her thing. Okay, these are that Sag baby, winter baby, birthday bitch sets. She did not come to play. Do you guys see that acrylic? Do you guys see all those rhinestones? She even added a little Sagittarius sign. She did a hand-painted butterfly. Like, Jennifer went off. Do y'all see these though? Do y'all see this motherfucking set? I'm fucking speechless. Jennifer, you did that. I love you, bitch. But anyways, moving on to the hair. We have a hair appointment with myself, Miss Antisocial. Nah, I'm a social butterfly, but you know, sometimes I'll be a little anal about doing my hair with other people, so I decided to do my birthday hair myself. So I wanted to do a wig, so I did get this wig sent to me from Tinashe Hair. So I'm just show you guys all of the details. They also did send me this really cute silk bag, which is perfect to store your wig back in, that it does not get messed up. And they also did send me a bunch of cute hair accessories, like this little red bonnet that is perfect for the holidays. I was so excited about this red bonnet. Y'all don't even know. And let me tell you how all the combs and the little clips and everything comes clutch when it's time to install your wig. But anyway, let's go ahead and open her. As you guys can see, fresh out of the box, the wig came this bright orange color. Now, I wanted to tell you guys that Tinashe Hair does offer pre-colored hair. So they have tons of colors, guys. They have blue, silver, purple, orange. I just decided to get the orange one because this actually was sent to me back in October and my package got lost, unfortunately. So they had to resend it, and now we're all the way in December, unfortunately. So I'm like, you know what? Let's transform this orange into red. Perfect for the holiday season. But I did want to let you guys know that it does already come colored. So this is the cap construction and all of the hair details. This is 22 inches and it is 180 density and a 13x4 lace front wig. So like I said, we did go ahead and dye it, and I just went to my beauty supply store and I just grabbed some Adore hair dyes, and I did grab the shade Intense Red, and I did make sure to grab a red that was dark enough to fully cover and saturate the orange. So now to the salon, aka my kitchen. So if the quality changes because now I'm recording on my phone. So I did go ahead and grab one of my big pots, and I'm gonna fill that up with boiling hot water. Ooh girl, these nails. And my gloves popped and broke, so shout out to my boyfriend, hey bae, for helping me, because bitch, we are not messing up this new set. Hell no, not today. So I knew, okay, see, this is why you can't have your boyfriend do shit, because what the fuck was that? What was that? Like, why would he squirt it like that? Like, come on, let's get it together, man. But anyway, you're just gonna go ahead and put the entire bottle of dye in the water. Super simple, but of course, boys gotta be mad extra with it. Look at his hands already. Boy, get out of my camera doing that shit. The hell? Act like you got some damn home training. Anyways, you want to go ahead and make sure that the water is nice and mixed. This guy is making a mess over here. Thank God I didn't do it, because I can already see his hands are stained red, and that would have been my brand new nails. So now he's just gonna go ahead and take my wig and dunk it into the stained water. So I only did one bottle of dye because I want to see how much this wig is going to take to that red. And I did want to leave that second bottle just in case I do have to do the process again, which I definitely did, because this wig, like I said, was orange. So it took me 2 times, but like I said, this wig dyed red in literally 15 minutes. So the first time, as you can see, he's fully putting the entire wig inside the pot, and you're going to see that it is going to take to the red really, really quickly. But of course, some of the orange is going to peek through, which is exactly why I did it a second time. So after the second time, like I said, I did the steps exactly the same. This is what the wig actually turned out like, and I'm obsessed with the color, you guys. It actually looks like a raspberry type of red. It is gorgeous, and it looks like it actually has some highlights and lowlights because it was orange. So I'm actually here for that. It is very unique. I love it, and I love the color. And guys, just look at how gorgeous this footage looks with the wig still all wet. It still is nice and shiny. It's not matted and tangled. Like, Tinashe Hair has some really, really great quality wigs, so definitely check them out. I will leave in the description box the exact unit that I am wearing in this video, just in case anyone is interested. And of course, all of the hair deets will be all linked down below. So now I am going to go ahead and grab Becky, which is my foam head. And I also did get this table. This is actually a wig stand, but this is a table one that adjusts to your table. If you do not want to do the whole tripod method, I really recommend a table wig stand. It's actually so clutch. And I also wanted to let you know that none of my lace got stained in the process of dyeing it red, which was a super shocker to me, because I expected my lace to be stained. But as you can see, the lace is still all nice and beige, and it did not get stained red or turn pink, which I was like, wow, because y'all literally just seen me dump the whole shit in water. Well, my boyfriend did, but you get what I'm talking about. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pin her down to my head. This is actually still the same night. I'm gonna just go ahead and comb her out and get all of the tangles out, because I'm actually just gonna let her air dry overnight. Girl, you cannot turn into a bad bitch overnight. Actually, you can, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. So the first thing you do is prep your fucking wig the night before. That's how you do it. So now you see here, I'm just plucking out that hairline, because Tinashe, it does offer a pre-plucked hairline, but I like to still go in and customize mine a bit more. So you can see that I did that side, and it's a lot more sparse than this side. I do not like helmet hair, you guys. Even though, like I said, it's pre-plucked, you still need to pluck that shit. Okay, do not be outside with no damn helmet head. So that was all of the hair that I took out from plucking the hairline, and now this is the next morning. It is officially my birthday. Hey, so Autumn is in school right now, and I'm trying to get myself all the way together. So I am just gonna straighten the wig because, like I said, she was air dry, so she was a little bit frizzy. So I did go in now with my straightener, and I did do the chase method with the comb just to get it nice and pin straight. You guys, the lighting right now is making the hair look a lot splotchy, but I will show you in other lighting that the red actually came out super even. But I only have one ring light on right now because, like I said, I am kind of in a rush. My baby actually was throwing me a little surprise birthday party at my mom's house with all of my friends. So yeah, I was actually trying to film, but then when my mom called me like, Leslie, you need to make it to the house by this time, I was like, oh shit, okay, let me hurry up. So this is kind of like why the video went a little bit in shambles, but it's a realistic birthday glow up because this is just really how it be. So yeah, now that I got my hairline all nice and situated, I did go ahead with some edge control, and now you can see I'm really flattening out the top, because one straight giveaway that you're wearing a wig is that hump at the top. Please, if you're gonna wear a wig, make sure that the top is nice and flat where your part is at, because like I said, that is just the dead giveaway that it's a damn wig. You know what I'm saying? We want it to be as laid and as natural as possible. So now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more edge control and make sure that I am slicking down all of the flyaways that be at the top. You guys know if you wear wigs, they be hella flyaways, so you definitely need to have some type of product to make sure that everything is nice and sleeked down. And one last time, I am just gonna straighten her one final time, just cause I, like I said, I want this bitch to be laid. Okay, it is the birthday hair. And I also was doing like a little birthday shoot. If you guys also do follow me on Instagram, did y'all peep that they took my birthday photos down? I was so mad, y'all. Let me know in the comments below if y'all peeped that, but a bitch went ahead and reposted them, cause girl, not me, not today. Anyways, I'm now about to install my wig, but my boyfriend actually came home from work and surprised me with some flowers and balloons and a really pretty bracelet from Pandora. He knows that I love lilies and roses, so he got my favorite flowers, which was super cute, and I got to catch it on camera, which was unexpected. And now he is giving me my bracelet, which I thought was so beautiful. So shout out to Bday for actually making me feel super special and like a princess today, because I really wasn't expecting this, you guys. I was, like I said, zoned out, just trying to film and put my damn wig on, and then, you know, just all this unexpected love. I just love it. I felt so special. And let me just show you guys the bracelet, because he did give me 2 pendants, and of course one of them was a butterfly, because y'all know I'm the butterfly queen. I love butterflies. And the reason why I'm cheesing is because he did give me a card, and one thing about me, you guys, I love a card. Also, shout out to one of my subscribers, Santos, for sending me a package to my mom's house, which was a card as well that I got to keep and I will cherish forever. So thank you to everybody who partaked in making my birthday really special. I love all of y'all. But anyway, this is the bitch. We gotta do our makeup now. So now we're jumping into the makeup, and I'm trying to get my wing liner really quickly on point. I will admit, you guys were probably expecting like this phenomenal birthday glam, but I'm gonna be honest with you, being that it was a Monday and I was just going to my mom's house, I really just wanted the start of the show to be the red hair. I felt like that was already a bold statement, so I kept my makeup pretty neutral. So I literally just did a nude lip and a wing liner. Literally nothing crazy. I know, pretty basic. You probably like, bitch, it's your birthday. But girl, the wig was enough for me, because I haven't worn wigs in a long time, and I'm really trying to get back into them. So yeah, so I kind of got to get out of my comfort zone again. But anyways, bald cap is on, and I'm just going to quickly install this. Like I said, this is not a tutorial, you guys. This is more or less like a glow up, kind of like vlog style. So I'm so sorry for the Charlotte Russe bag in the back and all of the mess. You guys see my rolling tray and all of that. But tell me this is not that realistic as, bitch, I'm really getting ready. Like, girl, it'd be a hot mess. There'd be bags on the bed. Like, this is how you know, like, your inner bad bitch is really about to come out. If the room is a mess, that means, bitch, you're really doing something. You're putting in that work. So now I'm just gonna cut off all of the extra lace, because the lace is a 13 by 4 and my head is puny, you guys, so it's always dangling off of the side of my ears. So I did cut off the excess lace, and now I am gonna cut off the lace on the forehead. But before I do that, I do like to do it in little sections. If you guys want a full detailed how to install your wig for beginners video, I can definitely do that, because like I said, this is not a tutorial, this is more of just like a glow up transformation. So yeah, it's not really like in depth, but if you guys do want me to go in more detail on how I actually put on my wigs, I'll be more than happy to do that. So yeah, I am now just gonna lay my baby hairs and get everything nice and slick. But my camera completely died, you guys, and like I said, I had to go to my mom's house, so I did have to record the rest on my phone. So this is the finished product of the install. And bitch, when I say birthday transformation, who is she? Okay, I heard it was a hot girl summer. Bitch, it's a hot girl winter with this fucking look. I'm obsessed with this hair. I'm obsessed with the red. I'm obsessed with the color. I'm obsessed with the quality. Bitch, it's everything for me. And this is my outfit, like I said, from Charlotte Russe. Super casual. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, I was just going to my mom's house, so I just threw on a crop top and some jeans. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys the footage from Autumn actually surprising me.
It's a surprise. A happy birthday.
This footage makes me so emotional because the fact that my daughter really thought to try to surprise me and got all my friends to actually partake in this. Shout out to all of y'all for making my day special, like I said. But yeah, you guys, you can see the hair, how beautiful and even the color looks. And I was just having a blast on my birthday. Now I got a little bit of, you know, a little bit of drinks in my system. So now I'm really feeling myself. But I just want to say thank you so much for all of the birthday wishes. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Tinashe Hair. I will leave this hair in the description box. And until next time, guys, bye.